Now, the reason why Papa T is here just to our guest on the show was Eddie, Uncle Eddie, but namko na majina ya wazee, Uncle, Papa. Anyway, it's okay. So, there is a friend of mine who traveled all the way from Norway to come and celebrate her birthday on this show. Wapi shangwe na vigelegele zake Lavenda Nyarjera. Tupige makofi. Hey, my super DJ. Orwake maka Yesu biro sani. Tomanyo mana wakili.
Tumekuja suti na kitenge, furaha yetu tusipoteze, ni nderemo, shangwe na kelele. Mlisikia wapi? Pati tumepanga, mwezenu msijali, kucheza ni lazima. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Mom. Mlisikia wapi? Pati tumepanga, mwezenu msijali, kucheza ni lazima. Happy birthday. Nti moro wacho kama kata yamo kudho kata boche imopolo, makata ngwengo dido kata kothora mobetwe, to dendu wendo nanika muloto lietalu.
Uncle Eddie, take it off.
Leo siku yako ya kuzaliwa, Lavi. Leo siku yako ya kuzaliwa, Lavi. Happy birthday to you, Lavi. Tuende pamoja. Happy birthday to you, Lavi. Happy birthday to you, Lavi. Happy birthday to you, Lavi. God bless you.
Wow. Thank you so much. Hey. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lavenda. Na sote tunasema happy birthday, Lavenda. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Unagisho, one more. Kanyakla.